Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Secure Control and Data Planning of the SDN. SDN means Software Defined Network, and comparative review of the traditional AI and MTD approach to secure to that solution. Our project abstract is a software defined network. SDN is a groundbreaking technology that has transformed network management significantly by integrating the data and control. SDN offer unparalleled flexibility and then responsiveness, therefore overcoming the limitation of the convolutional network architecture. However, to the traditional for the control method, so it's a hallmark of the SDN based on the software defined network processor, double edge security, and then offer to the easy control it. These also become to the dangerous point of the failure to the entire network part. So best of that our knowledge in this the present comparative study to explore traditional method artificial intelligence based on the moving target defense, MTD, moving target defense approach to the secure SDN part. The study begins with the survey of traditional security solution for the SDN process in combining authentication and then unauthorized security and secure protocol firewall and flow verification by addressing secure threats and vulnerability in the both data and control plan. The study then application of the AI based secure solution in the SDN environment. The focusing on the how machine learning and deep learning techniques to the leverage to the address advanced security threats. Additionally, the survey mechanism MTD mechanism with the data and control plan security. The survey with the deep techniques including to the randomization of the internet protocol IP and the media access controller MAC address, the port number and then flow rate, the relationship between security threats and MTD strategies. And the specific control employee is the experimental implementation. We are utilized to the widely recognition part, cyber framework to the identifying and evaluate to the potential threat to the SDN security. Our analyze result in the comparative list of security challenges. We can approach to the further research direction aimed to the address emergency threat in the both of the data and control panels. Our project flowchart is first we can move on to the SDN dataset we have taken. After to the monitoring to the process, we can move on to the data gathering and refiner process, data pre-processing stuff. Next we can move on to the data feature extraction and data partition process, the 80% of training and 20% of testing. We can move on to the model training process using to the classification of CNN algorithm. After to the amplification as a prediction part, so we have transfer for the one host to another host for the information. We have find out to the which type of the attack will be occur, and then we have calculate to the metric analysis and end to that part. So streamlined wise we can move on to that entire data is directing to the which type of the SDN attack will be occur. We have check it on our project execution based on first we have info to the network data, so our title and then SDN, the host 1 to host 7 we have entered it, the path will be decided, the IP address and then controller switch will be the act on the host to host and destination for the path, and secure to the key exchanges take place in key exchanges successfully. We can the mutual authentication successfully part. So these are the part we have transfer for the host 1 to how to transfer for the host 7 for the part. So the red line will be transfer for the data. After that collect the data, we are applying to the pre-processing step. We are checking to that data splitting process, 80% of training. After that we are using to the model training process. So once we have trained to the model CNN model, so we can put that 100 epochs. So the once 100 epochs is completed means we get that 90 above percentage of the accuracy model, and then we have find out to the which type of attack will be there. We have check it out. So epochs will be run, we get that output part. Finally, we have predicted to the which type of the attack will be there. We have analyzed it. Thank you.